How are you pupils, wherever you are, in Dar es Salaam or out of Dar es Salaam? Welcome again in the class. My name is teacher Robert Edwin. We are going to talk about balanced diet. Balanced diet. Balanced diet is what? We are going to look about a balanced diet. By meaning, we say that balanced diet is the meal or group of food that consists of all types or all kind of food. Is the meal that contain all kind or groups of food. That is called balanced diet. Mean is the meal that contain all groups of foods. As I said, means balanced diet is the meal that contain all groups of food that we call balanced diet. Balanced diet. So wherever you are, you can repeat this meaning. Also, you can note it and write wherever you have a note there. So when you talk about balanced diet, we mean that one. So now we're going to look which kind or which groups of food we have. How many groups of food we have? We say that the meal that contain all groups of food. So which groups of food? We are supposed to know now these groups of food. Groups of food. Groups of food. The groups of food that we have are, the first one is carbohydrate. We have carbohydrates. The first group of food that we have is carbohydrate. The second one is proteins. We have proteins. The third one is fats and oil. Fats and oil. Another one is minerals. Another one is minerals. We have also is the minerals. And that we have is water. Also water is the group of food. Water is the group of food. And the last one is vitamins. Vitamins. These are the groups of food. These 6 are the groups of food. So when we say balanced diet means the group of food that contain or consist all groups of food, we means these groups of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats and oil, minerals, water and vitamins. These are the groups of food. So make sure that every meal that you take, it consists the term balanced diet. So it means every meal that you take, it is called the balanced diet. Let us look about these groups of food. Groups of food. So the first one we say we have carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is what? Carbohydrate. Carbohydrates. Let us talk about carbohydrate. This we call as energy giving foods. energy giving food we call as carbohydrate. So energy giving food, carbohydrate we call as energy giving food. So the energy giving food, it is called the carbohydrate. So carbohydrate, it is energy giving food. Example of carbohydrate foods are carbohydrate food are we call as maize, rice, and we have potatoes also, etc. So means these are few examples of carbohydrates food. So when you say carbohydrate food, not in your mind. Carbohydrate food means the energy giving food. So energy giving food you call as carbohydrate. And example of carbohydrates are such as maize, rice, and potatoes, and so on. So let us talk about proteins. Proteins. As we say, in carbohydrate it is energy giving food. So what we call proteins? Proteins we call as body build foods. Proteins called as body building foods. So the body building foods are proteins. Example of proteins food. Say examples of protein foods. Example of proteins foods have meat. Meat is an example of proteins food. We have eggs. Eggs is an example of proteins foods. We have groundnuts. Also groundnuts is the example of proteins foods, but also we have milk. Also milk is example of proteins foods. Also make sure that every meal that you take in, there is also proteins foods. These are the few examples of proteins foods. Let us look about fats and oil. Fats and oils. Fats and oils. Out of writing fats and oils, another name that you can call fats and oil, can say these are called lipids. Also this is also known as lipids. So when you hear the word lipids, means fats and oil. So when you hear lipids, means fats and what? Oil. So example of fats and oil. Example of fats and oil are, let's look example of fats and oils foods. Example of fats and oils foods. have sunflowers oil, sunflowers oil. At the first example. Another one, we have an avocado. An avocado. This is the fruit, an avocado. And also we have cheese. These are examples of fatty and oily foods or lipids. So the word fats and oil, as I said, it is called lipids. Also, let us look about the water. No, sorry, minerals. Minerals. Examples of minerals foods. Example of minerals foods. Example of minerals foods are have salts, and also we have cabbage, Another example of minerals foods, also we have some vegetables. Some vegetables also give us minerals, and also we have liver, also have milk. These are examples of minerals foods. Minerals foods means these are examples of foods that give our body minerals. Now let us look about water as a group of foods. Water. Also, water is one among of the groups of foods. Example of foods that give us water is we call is only drinking water. Means make sure you drink here clean and safe water. So this means water is one among of the group of foods. So make sure that you drink water. So, but the water you drink, make sure it is clean and safe. The last one, it is vitamins. Also, vitamins is one among of the groups of foods. Vitamins. So make sure that examples of vitamins foods. Vitamins foods are vegetables, and also there is fruits such as oranges, watermelon. So in order to get more vitamins, make sure you eat more vegetables, you eat more fruits, so means you can get vitamins in your body. Let us look about the importance of balanced diet. The importance of balanced diet. The importance of balanced diet. After looking the meaning of balanced diet and an example of foods that give us balanced diet, let us look about what is the importance of balanced diet. What is the importance of balanced diet? As we said, as we look the meaning and the importance of some foods, let us look the importance of balanced diet. Example, importance number one, we said, the first group of food we said carbohydrate. Carbohydrate means innate giving food. So, number one, we say balanced diet help to give our body innate. So, by eating balanced diet, we give our body innate. So by eating balanced diet, we give our body innate. This is the first one. And the second one, say, as you say in proteins, means it is bodybuilding foods. Bodybuilding foods. So means that by eating balanced diet, we help to build our body. Help to build our body. Help to building our body. And also, as we say, vitamins means protect our body. It is protective food. So also means by eating balanced diet, help to protect our body from diseases. So, this we call importance of balanced diet. There is more. Now, I want to give you a few exercises here. Out of these three importance that I write here, make sure that you add exercise. Right? 5 importance of balanced diet. So, out of these three importance of balanced diet, make sure that write 5 importance of balanced diet. So, make sure you finish by writing 5 importance of balanced diet. Now, let me wish you a nice moment and thank you for listening to the lesson of today about balanced diet. But when you are at your home place, make sure that you take all precautions against COVID-19. I wish you a nice moment. Thank you very much.